Mumbai police seems to be in a state of alert. There are 5 Mumbai police vehicles outside Rhea Chakrabarty's place, and just 5 minutes back, 2 lady police officers have entered Rhea Chakrabarty's place, and this is an indicator enough that Rhea Chakrabarty would be coming out of a house, and straight away she is going to head to the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters in South Mumbai. It's 9:40 right now. 11 a.m. is the time by which she has to appear in front of the NCB officials. Today being a Sunday, there's not going to be much traffic on the street. It should not take more than 40 minutes for Rhea Chakrabarty to reach the Narcotics Control Bureau headquarters. So we are assuming that at least in the next 10 to 15 minutes, Rhea Chakrabarty should be heading out from this very place. Now we are at the back gate. What my camera person Shamir Shanbag is showing you right now is the car park area, and this very jeep vehicle in which we've seen Rhea Chakrabarty come out often to visit the agencies, be it the Enforcement Directorate or the Central Bureau of Investigation. Now there are other vehicles as well which she's taken in the past, but this is the main vehicle, and our focus is here. Once she steps out, she gets inside this very vehicle, Akshita, we are going to rush from this very place to the main gate, from where she is going to move out towards the town side. So we're going to keep everyone updated. I'll again ask Sameer to try and show if the first floor apartment is the one that belongs to the Chakrabartys. Of course, we know how Indrajit Chakrabarty, father of Rhea Chakrabarty, had last night given an emotional statement saying that first his son has been targeted, and then now, in all likelihood, Rhea is also going to be targeted. Now, but the fact remains, law will not look at emotions. They are going to look at evidences. And the big question remains, Akshita, does the Narcotics Control Bureau have enough evidence at hand to clinch the role of Rhea Chakrabarty in the entire nexus? Because the NCB officials are clearly stating and hinting with the talks that we had with them over the last couple of days that it is not just about this very case. There is a larger network at play. There is a larger nexus that is working in Bollywood. And Rhea Chakrabarty and Shouvik Chakrabarty, if the NCB officials are to be believed, were playing a very important role. So the question right now really is, other than the statements that have been given by the small-time drug peddlers and the WhatsApp conversations that they have retrieved from cloning the phones, does the Narcotics Control Bureau have anything substantial as well? Otherwise, it's going to be difficult for them to get custody of Rhea Chakrabarty, and that's exactly what the lawyers of Rhea Chakrabarty have been maintaining as well. So it remains to be seen as to what's going to happen in the next couple of hours. Already we've been seeing that there have been hectic developments that has taken place this morning. Sameer Wankhede, the senior official of the Narcotic Control Bureau, he himself was here and he issued summons in person to Rhea Chakrabarty. Many teams of the Mumbai...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.